Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually in the kitchen, but no, I'm not going to be cooking anything on my channel here today. I actually am going to be making something, that's why I'm in here, that a lot of people are having a hard time finding, and I know these videos are everywhere. The recipe I'm using is just one I found on the internet, so just letting you guys know I didn't come up with this on my own. I just wanted to make it because I was planning to make this anyway today. We are almost out of hand sanitizer. As you know, these days it's really hard to find this, and I hate that, but there's an easy way to make it at home, and I'm gonna make it here today. I already had to make some, so that's why I was like, well, why not just make a video and film me making our very own hand sanitizer. So this is just a DIY, easy home recipe for making hand sanitizer. So let's get started. This is the hand sanitizer that I currently have. I actually found this one at a local grocery store, and it's a vitamin E hand sanitizer. So I looked on the back, and this actually has 65% of the rubbing alcohol in it. And today we're actually going to be using 70%. I know they say 100% is way better, but I couldn't find any, but we do have 70%, so that's what we're going to be using. Also, I have some pure aloe vera gel that we found. I found that at Target a little while back. And also I'm going to add a few drops of vitamin E oil just to help soften it up. Then I can refill my bottle. So the recipe that I found online said that you're going to need 3/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. And I just have a little glass measuring cup here, and we're gonna fill that up. And like I said, this is the 70%. So you're gonna measure that up to the 3/4, and I'm gonna place it inside my bowl. And then the other part of the recipe just calls for 1/4 aloe vera gel. And this is actually 97.7% pure aloe vera gel. So I just want to fill this up to the 1/4 line. You definitely want more of the rubbing alcohol than you do of the gel. We're going to place that inside of our bowl. And I'm gonna go ahead and start just whisking that around gently. And as you whisk, this will become thicker, and then you're able to use it like a hand sanitizer. I've been stirring for quite some time, and I can see that it's thickening up. I know the more you stir, the thicker it will get. I don't think it's gonna get to the consistency of this, which this is kind of liquidy too, the one that I actually bought from the store. It's pretty liquidy, but I know that once you put it in the bottle, you can continue to shake it, and that'll help thicken it as well. So you don't want it too thick, so it's easier to put in your bottle. I feel like this is looking really good. And also, I was reading that a lot of people put essential oils in them if you want to scent it. Also, you could put lemon juice in it. But like I said, I'm gonna add a few drops now of just the vitamin E oil. And that's it. Not much at all. Because you don't want to put too much of anything to break down what you've made. Because the rubbing alcohol is what's killing the germs. It is definitely thicker than when we first started. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it's definitely thicker. So now I'm just gonna take the lid off my container and lay that to the side. And the reason I like this bowl, or making things in this bowl, is because when you pour them out, you do have kind of like a little lip. We're gonna try to do this without spilling it, because unfortunately I don't have like a funnel. Gonna replace the lid and then give it a good shake. And you guys can see it looks just like the hand sanitizer you buy at the store. I'm really impressed. This is the first time making it. Let's see what it looks like when it comes out. Oh wow, see that? And it feels just like what was in the bottle to begin with. I know this was a very simple recipe, but I'm definitely gonna leave it down below for just a quick reference for any of you guys that wanna try making it for yourself. So this was really quick, simple, easy, and a great thing to know. That way you can make some if you have just a couple ingredients at your house. You do not have to add anything but the alcohol and the aloe vera gel. That's all you need to make it. You can add, like I said, the additives, just your choice. But yeah, I'm really impressed. I'm glad I was able to make some. It didn't take that much to make a full bottle of this, so I definitely recommend making it versus buying it, as long as you can get these ingredients. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick, easy DIY tutorial on how to make DIY hand sanitizer. If you did, guys, don't forget to leave a like on the video, comment down below, let me know, have you ever made hand sanitizer before, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay healthy, guys.